Okay, let's talk about Google's Nano Banana. This thing is insane. Google's Nano Banana is a state-of-the-art AI tool that uses text and images to generate or edit high-quality visuals. Let's see what it can do. With Nano Banana, you can easily and naturally put objects on other objects. You can even change the color, or hell, you can even put a design on it. Nano Banana offers different resolutions: 0.5K for rapid drafts, 1K for standard use, and premium 2K or 4K for high-resolution assets. Honestly, there's too much to cover in a short video. I can tell you this thing has radically changed my workflow and has a ton of amazing features. Man, this is getting weird. Its features vary by platform. The Gemini app is optimized for consumers, while the API and Vertex AI offer developers more precision, higher resolution, and advanced controls. Nano Banana is a production powerhouse. Think Photoshop on steroids. However, for creating unique characters, I still prefer other AI image generators like Midjourney.
I know. Look, it's okay. You don't have to be good at everything, but yeah, you kind of suck as a creative.